Now, as the morning unfolds, we are about to witness the grand parade, a stunning showcase of the students' discipline, patriotism, and enthusiasm. Yes, let's prepare to witness the magnificent parade where 4 platoons of the NCC, 7 contingents comprising young and enthusiastic students of Atomic Energy Central Schools and Junior College will present a spectacular show of patriotism, discipline, and energy. The young enthusiastic students are marching to the beat of the freedom fighters who made this day a reality. Every step of the parade echoes the resilience and unity of our nation. They are not just saluting the chief guest today, they are saluting the brave departed souls and the heroes who are protecting us from the enemies at borders. The first contingent moving towards the dais, saluting dais. Is junior NCC girls. Commander is Corporal Divija Pal. The National Cadet Corps is the young wing of the Indian Armed Forces with its headquarters in New Delhi. The NCC aims at developing character, comradeship, discipline, a secular outlook, and the spirit of patriotism. Junior wing, NCC girls, platoon number 2, nearing the saluting dais. Led by Sergeant Ayush Singh. The next platoon at the saluting day is Junior Division NCC Boys, commanded by Harish Acharya. Motto of NCC, unity and discipline. We now have the platoon number 4, Junior Division NCC Boys, led by Corporal Vedant Halda.
And now coming closer is the contingent of Atomic Energy Central School 5, placard holder Riya G and flag bearer Sudarshan Narvekar, mentored by Dr. R. Simon Pillai and Ms. Khushbu Yadav, smartly, gracefully marching to salute. What a pride movement. A treat to the eyes as well as ears. And we have ACS 4 Mumbai ready to salute the chief guest. Placard holder Vedehi Goregaonkar and flag bearer is Mudra Misre. Mentored by Diksha Deshbhratakar and अरविंद वर्मा। इन बच्चों की कदम ताल मुझे याद दिलाती है अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी की पंक्तियां, बाधाएं आती हैं आए, घिरे प्रलय की घोर घटाएं, पांव के नीचे अंगारे, सिर पर बरसे यदि ज्वालाएं, निज हाथों में हंसते हंसते आग लगाकर जलना होगा, कदम से कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा। Then we have ACS 3 placard holder Amy Joseph, flag bearer Yashashri Mondkar, mentored by Shri Rajesh Bhatt and Miss Priya Banerjee. बहुत ही भव्य नजारा। इसके पश्चात हैं एटॉमिक एनर्जी स्कूल नंबर 1 का कंटिजेंट प्लेकार्ड होल्डर रुचि महात्रे, फ्लैग बेरर गौतम तेजावत, मेंटर्ड बाय श्री अनिल जाधव एंड तेजश्री एंगवाले। A well-coordinated march past is a feast to the eyes and ears when coupled with stirring march past sound. And now, very smartly, marching is contingent of Atomic Energy Central School 6, placard holder Pulkit Singh, flag bearer Ketal Valmiki, mentored by Trisha Jaiswal and Tarit Kumar Das. The synchronized swing of arms and the sound of thundering feet stirs something within us. There is no doubt that it brings lot of josh amongst us. Now we have ACS 2 placard holder Maisha Khan and flag bearer Soham Krishna Pradhan, mentored by Ashwini Manjrekar Kamble and Shri Dilip Sakya. कदम से कदम मिलाते भारत के भावी कर्णधार एकदम सजग, सहज, संतुलित कदम ताल।
The band of ACS2, baptized as Symphony Band, not only added to the grandeur of the Republic Day parade, but also controlled the complete parade with its perfect beats and rhythm. Dressed in their immaculate uniforms, the band embodies beat of the drum, and every note of the trumpet echoes the collective pride of the citizens. The precision with which they are playing the rousing nationalist tunes like Sare Jahan Se Acha is a testament to hours of practice and shared commitment to excellence. The fact that it was formed in a very short time truly adds to the skill of the musician.
लहराता हुआ तिरंगा मुझे याद दिलाता है ये पंक्तियाँ। 3 रंग का नहीं वस्त्र, ये ध्वज देश की शान है। यही है गंगा, यही हिमालय, यही हिंद की जान है। 3 रंगों में रंगा हुआ ये अपना हिंदुस्तान है। ये मनमोहक दृश्य मुझे याद दिलाता है ये पंक्तियाँ। ये वंदन की धरती है, अभिनंदन की धरती है, ये अर्पण की भूमि, तर्पण की भूमि है। हम जिएंगे